Okay, so by my hair you can guess correctly that I have been a literal, pumpkin for a couple of days. Ow. Somehow there is no Wi-Fi connection at my house today. I don't know how, so a merit, I should say. So I was actually searching for other means of procrastination, and I was rewatching Rachel Nguyen's video. Most of the times she is this, very calm and peaceful kind of a person. I ended up, being very reflective. That's all I wanted to say. So I thought, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna put myself together and just be myself for today. So the first thing, of course, I'm gonna do to put myself back together is get this bare naked face a little bit, socially acceptable on the internet. That is, I'm just gonna do my little makeup. I don't usually go very hardcore on my makeup. Like, I try to keep it pretty simple because, the problem is that you say like, you kind of don't look like the person that you are in the pictures, and then I start getting insecurities, like I don't even do a lot of makeup but still I look like this different person. Why? And then I just start having another phase of anxiety in that section. So that's the reason sometimes I even get scared of even doing makeup, because is it because of makeup, or is it just that I am just being possessed by somebody else's opinions or thoughts on my beauty? So I'm just trying to find that sweet spot, even if I'm doing makeup, to just be myself, the person over here. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go and get myself dressed up now. Okay, so I wore something cute. And do you guys remember this dress? It was one of the looks that I put in my first look book almost like an year ago, and I was so proud of myself that I made such a, at least I feel that I made such an incredible video. That was the first time that I took this step, being confident about what I love and to showcase to people, and that's the reason this dress holds a very sweet spot in my heart, and I felt really cute. So I put on this cute dress today. Okay. So lately I've also been doing embroidery and I've been enjoying it. Like, I did this thing earlier too, but I'm not a consistent person. So this time I'm doing this net embroidery recently, and I'm trying to make, I don't know if it's clearly visible, the designs are. Like, I'm trying to do this, okay, like do daisies and the petals flowing by. So let's see if let's see if I can, complete this and not leave it half done. Okay. Now, so I thought I shouldn't bore you guys with my stupid face making business. So here's a little glimpse of my June bullet journal setup. It's inspired from Amanda Rachel Lee's, very psychedelic plus Y2K theme inspired. It was something new that I tried and I kind of enjoyed it. So here's a little glimpse of it. It's lunchtime. What do you do usually at this hour every day? Like, on most days, I just, lay down on my bed, be comfortable with my blanket, be smooshy wooshy, and watch a movie or a drama and indulge myself in that fantasy world. But today, there is no Wi-Fi connection, so, I'm feeling lazy. for God graces, I did not fall asleep and I just completed my leftover painting, which I started like a month ago. And to be honest, I kind of messed up at one side, I know, but sometimes you just gotta admit your failures and move on. Also, this happens to be like the most ugliest toys from my childhood, but somehow when you grow up, you just start acknowledging things that falls in the same category. So
Hey, you wanna ride? Hey, you said it's born in 2005. Never pull, no, honey, no, you can hide in plain sight. I'm talking about happy in your movie. My lips are chapped, my breath is boozy. And all your champions are juicy. They say I'm full of myself, they say I'm full of surprise. I make a fool of myself and then I take home the prize. On the radio, mama got the radio's on up. Who'd have thought it'd be around now that we're finally old enough to God. Take a battle in my heart.
I often get scolded by my mother for not helping her out with plants. So every now and then, when I have some free time, I help her out by, just like watering plants or giving them some medicines or just looking after them.
I don't wanna say goodbye to you.